Cousins, I start RV Life so I can travel, save money. And if you like to save money, space, and everything else in your RV, this video is definitely for you. Welcome back, cousin. This video I'm finna show you some Dollar Tree hacks like this right here. I got this for $1. I use it to hang my keys because I get tired of losing them. These towel racks right here, you can hang whatever you want, but I decided to hang my towels. Even though I got one in the bathroom, they just can't hang as long as these can. I put them on my door. This right here, I got this for my broom and mop because my broom and mop kept getting in the way. Well, I'm saying mop, my Swiffer. It just kept getting in the way, and I just said I needed something to secure it to get it out my way. But as you can see, it stick up there without the screws, but we want to put the screws in to make it extra security because I didn't know how well it would stick when I put the heavy broom and a Swiffer on there. So as y'all can see, it look good, $1. If you got more than that, just buy more than that so you can put more on the wall. You don't have to just buy the one, you can buy 2 or 3 or however many. But I just thought it was a $1 good deal. And y'all know I'm in the RV to save money, so all these little tricks and hacks, they do help me out. Again, this right here, $1. You can put this right here is at the top of my bed, and I got like socks, boxers, underclothes, t-shirts, stuff like that you can get to really fast. This right here, look at all this sun coming through, y'all. It make my RV so hot, so I wanted some that I didn't have to spend so much money to see would it work. And as you can see, those are boxes that I got. Just little boxes, and you like these right here, Walmart boxes. You see how the size is right here? I use this little cutter to cut off the size so it won't look so tacky. I ordered that from Amazon. It only cut boxes. It won't cut your skin or nothing. And as you can see, look how much this sun. You see how the sun just come through there? It makes your RV really, really hot. Look at the verses when I got the box over there and when I don't. But let me show y'all how I did it. I cut one off and I was like, let me show them what I'm talking about. So I'm going to cut down the side over here. And it just cut straight down. You ain't got to worry about cutting your wall or nothing. Because, again, that's made just for cutting boxes. It only cut boxes. You can't cut your finger or nothing. That's why I love it. So, again, just cut down the side. And it will not look so tacky. You really won't even be able to tell that you got it in there. And it going to keep the sun out. That's all we trying to do. Keep the sun out without spending $40, $50, $60 to $200. And as y'all can see, it did the trick. Look at it. No sun coming through. I like it. Okay, this one right here. It got the slits in the boxes, so if you don't want the slits where the sun to come through, get different boxes or either tape the boxes together before you put it up there. Well, bye, cousin. Let me know if you like this video.